Hello everyone, I'm Danielle Alves, a DIY artist by profession, and today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful flower arrangements from seasonal flowers that you get in the local market. You can use this for your sit-down dinners or for any occasion that you have at home. I'm going to use this brass vase, 2 cylindrical vases as well. These locally sourced flowers. These are your local ferns, or you can use any ferns or any fillers. I'm also going to use a sponge, and I'm also going to show you how to cleverly arrange your flowers using sellotape. And you'll need a scissors, and if you like, some wire to secure your flowers. So I'm going to start off by using this vase. So what I'm going to do first is place the sponge and measure it however much I like it. So once your sponge is completely soaked, you can just press it and check to make sure that it's all wet and completely soaking of water. Always make sure that you cut your flower at an angle. You can start arranging it like this at an angle. So there you have it, your chrysanthemum and zebra arrangement. You can place this on your corner table in your hall or your dining table in the center, and you can add some candles also along with it, and your table is going to look beautiful. So we're going to start with this cylinder here, and here's a pro tip to keep your flowers looking fresh for a longer time. Just add a little bit of sugar to your water before arranging the flowers. Make sure you measure how high you would like your flower arrangement, and then accordingly you can cut it at an angle. Once you've done that, you can cut all your flowers that you're going to use according to the same height that you cut. Now that we have our hand bouquet done, we'll just quickly tie it up and we can add it into the cylinder here. So here you have it, your final product. You can add this to your corner tables with candles or your frames. It will enhance the corners of your living room. This you can add to your center table or your dining table, since it's a lower lying arrangement. So it's easy for a conversation to take place over the table. I hope you try these at home with your flowers from your local market, and it's going to enhance your home and look absolutely beautiful.